Yes, good morning children. So in the previous class we learnt about the arrangement of vertical column and also arrangement in horizontal rows and how to multiply those numbers. Even though we changed that pattern, we got the same product that we learnt in the previous class, isn't it? So today let us know the multiplication of numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Really it's very easy children. The concept is very easy. How to multiply the given number by 10, then 100, then 1000. Let us go through that with some example sums. Okay. So example 1, let us say 9 into 10. You know the tables, isn't it? 9 tens are. Yes, that is 90. That is very easy. But here some pattern is there. Some concept is there. When they give any number, if it is multiplied by 10 means first you take this given 9 and also 1. Leave 0. 9 into 1. How much? It is 9. Then the remaining 1 0 you give to 9. 9 munde a 0 nakadre you get that is 90. Okay, that is 9 into 1. 1 is nothing but what? It is 10. Okay, write this 110. That is equal to 9 ones are 9. Then the remaining 0 you write. So what is the product? 9 tens are 90. Okay. Another example we do 12 into 10. So I have taken a single digit here and take 2-digit number. 12 into 10. Now write given 12, then 1 which is in tens place. Write that 1 which is in tens place. So 12 ones are 12. Then how many zeros here? Only 1 0. So give 0 just in front of 12. Okay, that is 120. So we will do another one. We take 3-digit number. 366 into 10. Okay, write the given number 366 into 1 is which is in tens place. Write it. So 366 ones are 366. Then what about 0 here? Write 0. Okay. So that we will get this answer or the product very easy. In example 2, let us do with 100. Okay. First 5 into 100. I will take single digit number. Okay, I take single digit number itself. So 5 into 100. Here 5 into 1 is in which place? It is in hundreds place. Right? 100 equals 5 ones are yes 5. How many zeros here? See 1, 2. Count it properly. So 2 zeros you give just beside or in front of 5, you get 500. Okay children. Now I will take 2-digit number. Let us say 14 into 100. 14 into 100. So as I said earlier, 14 into 1. So 1 is in 100 place. 1 is in 100 place. So 14 ones are 14. Then what about zeros here? There are 2 zeros. So write 2 zeros here. So the product 14 into 100 is 1400, or you can pronounce it as 1400. Okay, either you pronounce 1400 or 1400. Next I take 3-digit number, that is 753 into 100. Let us say. Okay, 753 into 100. So first 7 23 into 1, that is 100, that is equal to 753 into 1. So we call the previous class, any number which is multiplied by 1 is always will get the same number, isn't it? So we call that 753 ones are. It is 753. So what about zeros here? Here 2 zeros. So write 2 zeros. So what is the product? It is 75,300. It is 75,300. Okay. So like this, whenever they give any number which is multiplied by 100 means you will get the same number. After that you write 2 zeros. That is enough. Here in 10 means 1 zero. Here 2 zeros. So write example 3. We'll multiply the given number by 1000. Let us say 6 into 1000. 6 into 1000. You know 6 into 1 is in which place? 10 unit, 10, 100 and 1000. So 1000. That is 6 into 1000. Now 6 ones are 6. How many zeros here? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So write 3 zeros. So what is the product, children? It is 6,000. The product is 6,000. So we will take 2 digits. That is 62 into 1000. See 2 digit 62 into 1000. So write 62 as it is. So 1 is in 1000 place. Write 1000 equals 62 into 1. That is 62 itself. What about zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So write 3 zeros. So where you should put comma? Between 2 and 0. The product here we got after multiplication of 62 into 1000 is 62,000. Take 3 digit number. Let us say that is 123 into 1000. Okay, 123, 3 digit number, multiply by 1000. As I said, write the given 3 digit 123 as it is. Next 1 is in 1000 place. Write it as 1000. Then 123 into 1. The same number will get 123 itself. What about zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. Write 3 zeros. So put comma 3, 2, 2. That is the Indian system. So the product is 1,23,000. Okay children, today what we learned, when the number is multiplied by 10, we will get the same number but only 1 zero. When we multiply given number into 100, then after multiplication you get the same number along with 2 zeros. When you multiply given number with 1000, so after multiplication you will get the same number but 3 zeros. Okay, 10, 1 0, 100, 2 0 and 1000 means 3 zeros. Okay, so we will learn more. So children, next we will learn multiplication by 1 digit and also 2 digit number. Okay, so I will write one example sum here. Example 1, 14 into, let us say 3, multiplication by 1 digit to 2 digit. Thus 14 is 2 digit number and that is 1. You know tables actually, 14 threes are, you can tell the answer. Okay, just I am explaining how to do. 3 fours are, first you multiply by 3 into 4. How much? 3 fours are, right, 12. Write this 2 here and 1 you give, that is here you got 2 digits here, so 1 you give about tens number, that is 1. The carry ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಒಂದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ತರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, then next 3 ones are, how much? 3 ones are 3. Now you add this carry for 3. 3 plus 1. See here, 3 ones are 3 and 1 carry, you add 1 for this. So you get the answer as 4. Isn't it? Write this 4 here. So 14 threes are how much? It is 42. Let us do this with 3 digit. Okay, another example with 3 digit. 213, that is 230 into 4, let us say. That is multiplication by 1 digit to 3 digit number. Okay, now first to multiply, 4 threes are how much? 4 threes are 12. Again 4 threes are 12. So write this 2 here and this 1 you give carry above tens number, that is above 1. 4 ones are how much? It is 4. What about carry children? 1. So add 1 for this. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Write 5 here. Again you multiply 4 twos are. 4 twos are how much? It is 8. Okay. So we'll do one more. It is example 3. I'll take 3 digits. Same. 405. 405 into 5. Let us say 405 into 5. That is 5 fives are. First you multiply 5 into 5. That is 5 fives are how much? It is 25. 5 fives are 25. So write 5 here and give this 2 as carry above 0. Okay, next number again 5 into 0. So 5 into 0 is how much is it? Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 itself, isn't it? So 5 into 0 is 0, but here we got 2. Here we got 2, isn't it? 0 plus 2 equals 2 only. So that is 0 plus 2 is 2. Write this 2 here. Next 5 fours are. 5 fours are 20. So write this 20 here. Because there is no another number here. So write 5 fours are 20 as it is. So this is what? The multiplication of number by 1 digit. So take 2, 3, 3 digit. So multiplication of given number by 1 digit number. Okay. Now I will write example 1 by 2 digit numbers. Okay. Now example 1. 25 into 12. 2 digit into 2 digit. That is multiplication of 2 digit number with 2 digit number. Okay. Now first you multiply 2 fives are. First you multiply by unit number. Okay. 2 fives are. That is 10. 2 5s are 10, isn't it? So write 0 here and 1. That you give carry above 2. Next, 2 2s are 4, isn't it? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. 1 carry. That will be 50. So what we did, children? First, we multiplied by unit place number, that is 2. Okay? So we got the product 50. Now I rub this. Okay? Now forget 2. Already you did the multiplication by 2. So below the first number you put one multiplication sign. You put one multiplication sign. Okay? Now you multiply by 1. See here, 1 5s are. How much? It is 5. We should write below 5. So first number ಕೆಳಗಡೆ into ಹಾಕಿರಬೇಕು. You should not write any number below 0. ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. You multiply, put multiply sign. Then 1 5s are 5. Write 5 as it is here. Then 1 2s are 1 2s are 2. Write here. So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ give space for each digit. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ it will be easy for you to add it according to place value. Now add it 0. 5 plus 5, it is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So write 0 here and this one you carry about 2. 2 plus 1, it is 3. That is 300. So we'll do another example. So I'll take 3-digit number. Okay, that is 147 into 34. 3-digit number are taken, multiplied by 2-digit again. Okay, now first we'll multiply by which number? By 4. We'll multiply by 4. So 4 7s are. It is 4 7s are. It's 28. 28. Now write 8 here and give carry above 4, which is in tens place. Now 4 4s again. You multiply with the same 4 to 4. 4 4s are 16. And above you have carry. So carry 2 there. So 16 plus 2 is 18. Write this 8 here and tens place 1. Give carry above 1, which is in hundreds place. Okay. Now again 4 1s are. That is again 4 into hundreds place number. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 carry. Always remember, after multiplication, if any carry is there, you add it. If it is not there, just you write the product here itself. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 carry, that is 5. So after the multiplication of 147 into 4, the product is 588. First, you give one multiplication sign just below the unit place. ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ addition ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ you have to follow this. Now I will rub this. Okay. See, putting this arrow is not necessary. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ if you feel like putting, then go. Afterwards you repeat. Next number is 3. 3 7s are. 21. Now write this one below 8 which is in tens place, and 2 you give carry above 4. Okay. Now 3 fours are how much? 12. 12 plus carry, that is 2. That is 14. Now write this 4 just below 5, and this 1 give carry above 1 which is in hundreds place. Now 3 ones are 3. What about carry here, children? 3 plus 1, it is 4. So write 4 here. Now add all. 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Here nothing is, no carry means 4 as it is. So what is the product? It is 4998. Okay. So you understand, I think you understood today's concept, multiplication of 10, 100, 1000, and also multiplication by 1 digit and 2 digit numbers. So I will give you some assignment, children. You do at home. Okay. Homework. Multiply. It is multiply 1, 7 into 10. Second, 72 into 10. Third one, 160 into 10. Third one, 9 into or 2 into 10. Fourth one, fifth one, 21 into 10. Sixth, 609 into 100. Right? I have 10 given. 2 into 100, 21 into 100, 609 into 100. Next, 7. 7 into 1000. Eighth one, 74 into 1000. And the last one, 15 into 1000. So, okay, multiply this and write in your homework book. Okay, see you, bye.